Hello friends, this is Pratiksha Garud working as an assistant professor in MVP Samaj Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the modern periodic table, or we can say the periodic table of the elements. So let's start with this. We all know that the first inventor of the periodic table was the Dmitry Mendeleev. He published his first version of the periodic table in the year 1869. So based upon this, according to increasing atomic number and recurring chemical properties, all the discovered chemical elements, they are organized in special rows which are known as periods and columns known as groups. Hence, the periods are the horizontal rows. Across the periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows, and while we can say the groups they are vertical columns in the periodic table, and there are 18 groups in the periodic table. Then we can say that there are total 118 elements are present in the periodic table. Out of these 118 elements, atomic number 1 to 94, these elements they are naturally occurring, whereas the elements from 95 to 118 they are artificially synthesized. Okay, then the elements of the periodic table they are denoted by unique symbol, and this symbol they are not its entire name. So let's see actual periodic table. So this is first of all the outline of the periodic table, the shape of the periodic table. Now this periodic table is divided into 4 parts, 4 compartments, which is known as the blocks. They are S block, then we are having the D block, P block and the A block. There are 4 blocks present in the periodic table, and the elements they are arranged in the 4 blocks according to their valence shell configuration. After the blocks we are having the periods. We know that periods means the horizontal rows. The horizontal rows they are known as the periods, and in the periodic table there are 7 horizontal rows. So we are having the first row. The first row consists of the 2 elements. Then we are having the second row, then the third row. The elements in the second row and the number of elements present in the second and the third row they are same. Then the fourth row, or the fourth period. The fourth period, the elements in the fourth period it consists of from S block, D block and the P block. In the fifth period again the same as that of the fourth. In the sixth period, then the last one, the seventh period. Now, in addition to these 7 periods, the elements which are present in the 6th period, for the sake of simplicity, these elements they are placed at the bottom in the F block. And similarly, the elements from the 7th period they are placed below the first, the red one, that is the green one. So this is our long form of the periodic table, and this periodic table we are having the 7 periods. So along with the 7 periods we are also having the groups. So here in the periodic table the elements they are divided, or the groups, in the 18 groups. So we are having the first group which is from the S block. Then we are having the second group. So first group and the second group they are from the S block. Then the third group, the fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, then seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, 10th group, 11th group, 12th group, 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group, and the last group, that is the 18th group. So in this way we are having the 7 horizontal periods and the 18 vertical groups. Now all these periods and the groups they total consist of the elements from the atomic number 1 to 118. So we are having the elements from atomic number 1 to 118 which are placed in all the 4 blocks, S block, P block, D block and the F block. So let us see these elements one by one. So the first element that is from the first period and the first group with the atomic number 1, it is having the symbol H and it is a name as hydrogen. The second element with the atomic number 2 having symbol He is helium. The third element with the atomic number 3 having symbol Li is known as lithium. The fourth, which is having the symbol 4, which is having atomic number 4, symbol is Be and name as beryllium. Next one with the atomic number 5, symbol is B and it is known as boron. 6, symbol C, known as carbon. 7, N, nitrogen. 8, with the symbol O, that is oxygen. 9, with the symbol F, is known as fluorine. 10, with the symbol Ne, it is known as neon. Then the element with the atomic number 11, that is from S block, which is having the symbol Na, it is known as sodium. The element with atomic number 12 having symbol Mg, it is known as magnesium. Then in the P block, the one with the atomic number 13, symbol is Al, it is known as aluminium. 14 with the symbol Si, that is silicon. 15, symbol is P, which is known as phosphorus. 16, the symbol is S, S means sulfur. 17, the symbol is Cl, chlorine. 18, Ar, that is argon. Let us move in the S block again. The atomic number is 19. The symbol is K and it is known as potassium. 20, the symbol Ca, it is known as calcium. 21, that is from the D block, symbol is Sc, that is scandium. 22, the symbol is Ti, that is titanium. 23, the symbol is V, that is vanadium. 24, Cr, that is chromium. 25, Mn, that is a manganese. 26, Fe, that is iron. 27, Co, cobalt. 28, Ni, nickel. 29, Cu, copper. 30, Zn, that is zinc. Let us move in the next block. Element with the atomic number 31. The symbol is Ga. Ga means gallium. 32, Ge, that is a germanium. 33, As, arsenic. 34, Se, selenium. 35, Br, that is bromine. And 36, with the symbol Kr, is krypton. Let's move in the S block again. The element with atomic number 37 is Rb. Rb, that is a rubidium. 38, Sr, strontium. Then move in the D block. 39 with the Y symbol is known as yttrium. 40, the symbol is Zr, that is a zirconium. 41, Nb, that is a niobium. 42, Mo, molybdenum. 43, Tc, technetium. 44, Ru, that is a ruthenium. 45, Rh, rhodium. 46, Pd, palladium. 47, Ag, that is silver. And 48, Cd, which is known as cadmium. Next element from the P block, atomic number 49, the symbol is In, that is indium. 50, the symbol is Sn, Sn means tin. 51, Sb, that is antimony. 52, Te, tellurium. 53, I means iodine. 54, xenon, Xe means xenon. Then element with the atomic number 55, symbol is Cs, which is known as cesium. 56, Ba means barium. Now let us move in the next block, that is the D block. Now this red represents the elements with the atomic number 57 to 71. That means the elements with these atomic numbers, they are placed in the D block. But only for the sake of simplicity, they are put in the bottom in the F block. And these elements, they are known as the lanthanide elements. That means the elements with the atomic number 57 to 71, they are known as the lanthanide elements. So first of all, first one is the 57 atomic number. The symbol is La, which is known as the lanthanum. 58, Ce, known as cerium. 59, Pr, that is praseodymium. 60, Nd, which is known as a neodymium. 61, the symbol is Pm. Pm is promethium. 62, Sm, samarium. 63, EU, europium. 64, GD, that is gadolinium. 65, TB, terbium. 66, DY, that is dysprosium. 67, HO, which is known as holmium. 68, ER, erbium. 69, TM, thulium. 70, YB, which is known as ytterbium. And the last element from the lanthanide series with the atomic number 71 is Lu, and it is known as lutetium. So this completes about the lanthanide series. Then let us move in the D block again with the atomic number 72. It is having the symbol HF and known as hafnium. 73, the symbol is Ta. Ta means tantalum. 74, W means tungsten. 75, Re. Re means rhenium. 76, Os, that is osmium. 77, Ir, iridium. 78, Pt, that is platinum. 79, Au, gold. 80, Hg means mercury. Then let's move in the next block, that is the P block with the atomic number 81. The symbol is Tl. It is known as thallium. 82, the symbol is Pb, known as lead. 83, Bi, that is bismuth. 84, Po means polonium. 85, At, At means astatine. 86, Rn means radon. So let's move again in the next block, that is the S block with the atomic number 87. The symbol is Fr, which is known as francium. Now it is discovered, this element, it is discovered in the France. That's why the name is given as francium. Then 88 with the symbol Ra, it is known as radium. Now similar to the above one, that is the lanthanide series, this green one represents the elements with the atomic number 89 to 103, and these are known as the actinide elements. These elements, they are the part of the D block, but only for the sake of simplicity they are written or they are shown in the A block at the bottom. So the first element with the atomic number 89 is Ac, which is known as actinium. Second, that is a 90 with the symbol Th, it is known as thorium. This thorium, it is a name after Thor, which is the Norse god of thunder. 91, Pa means protactinium. Now the meaning of the protactinium is precursor of actinium, or we can say that actinium is a product of a radioactive decay of protactinium. 92, the symbol is U, and U means uranium. Here we can say that this uranium is a name after the planet Uranus. 93, the symbol is Np. Np means a Neptunian. Similar to uranium, it is again named after the planet Neptunium. 94, Pu. Pu means plutonium. This plutonium, similar to uranium and neptunium, it is a name after the planet Pluto. 95. AM. AM is Americium. Americium, it was a name after the Americas. 96. Cm. Cm is curium. Now this element, that is curium, was a name after the eminent scientists Marie and Pierre Curie. 97. Bk. Bk means Berkelium. Berkelium, it was a name after the city of Berkeley, California, which was a location of the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, where this element was discovered in December 1949. 98. CF. CF, that is the Californium. It was a name after the university and the US state of California. 99. Having the symbol ES is known as Einsteinium. Einsteinium, it was a name in the honor of Albert Einstein. 100. FM means fermium. Fermium, it was a name after Enrico Fermi, who was one of the pioneer of nuclear physics. 101. MD. MD means Mendelevium. It is having the symbol MD, but formerly it was having the symbol MV. It was a name after Dmitry Mendeleev, the father of periodic table of the element. 102. 102 having the symbol NO. NO, that means Nobelium. It is a name in the honor of Albert Nobel, the inventor of dynamite and benefactor of science. Then the last element of the actinide series, that is 103 with the symbol LR, is Lawrencium. Lawrencium, it is a name in honor of Ernest Lawrence, the inventor of cyclotron, a device that was used to discover many artificial radioactive elements. So this completes our actinide series. Again move in the D block with the atomic number 104. So the 104 having the symbol RF, which is known as Rutherfordium. So again the name suggests it is a name after a New Zealand born British physicist Ernest Rutherford. 105. 105, the symbol is a DB. It is named as a dubnium. It is the element that was named after Dubnium in 1997 after the town of Dubna, the site of JINR. Next one is 106, which is having the symbol SG. SG means seaborgium. It is named after the American nuclear chemist Glenn T. Seaborg. 107, BH. BH means borium. It is a name after Danish physicist Niels Bohr. 108, HS. Hassium. It was named after the German state of Hesse. 109, MT. MT, that is Mitnerium. It is a name after Lise Mittner. 110, DS. DS means Darmstadtium. It was first created in 1994 by the GSI Helmholtz Center for Heavy Ion Research in the city of Darmstadt, Germany, after which it was named. 111, the symbol is Rg, that is Röntgenium. It is an extremely radioactive synthetic element. It is not found in nature. It was a name after the physicist William Röntgen, who discovered X-rays. 112, that is Cn. Cn means Copernicium. It was a name after the astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. Then let's move in the next block, that is a P block. The element with the atomic number 113, the symbol is NH. It is a name as a neonium. The name comes from the common Japanese name for Japan, as it was first reported by a team of Japanese scientists. 114, the symbol is FL, which is known as flerovium. It is a name after the Flerov laboratory of the nuclear reactions of JINR, Dubna, Russia. 115, MC, which is named as Moscovium. Moscovium, it is synthesized in JINR, Dubna, Russia. It was a name after the Moscow Oblast, in which the JINR means the Joint Institute of Nuclear Reactions is situated. 116, LV means Livermonium. Livermonium, it is a name from the city Livermore, which is in the California. Then 117, TS. TS means tennessine. Tennessine, it is the second heaviest known element, which is from the name Tennessee, United States. And the last element of the periodic table with the atomic number 118, the symbol is OG and it is named as oganesson. The name honors the nuclear physicist Yuri Oganesson, who play a leading role in the discovery of heaviest elements in the periodic table. So these are the total 118 elements which are placed in the four blocks, that is the S block, P block, D block and the A block. Now we have converted these blocks in this periodic table into different colors, and these colors identifies the different group of elements. So we are having the yellow color in the S block to the extreme left hand side, which represents the alkali metals. So these are the alkali metals in the S block. Second one is the alkaline earth metals. These are the alkaline earth metals which are next to the alkali metals. Then the third group of elements is the transition metals. The elements which are present in the D block, they are known as the transition metals because they show the transition, due to which they are the colored compounds. Then the next group is the other metals. These other metals, they are present in the P block. Next to other metals, we are having the metalloids. And then metalloids, we are having the non-metals. So in the P block, we are having the metals, metalloids and the non-metals. Next to this, we are having the 17 group. 17 group, that is known as the halogens. And the 18 group is known as the noble gases. Along with this, at the bottom, we are having the first series which is known as the lanthanide series, and the second series which is known as the actinide series. So these groups, that is these groups covers all the 118 elements in the 4 block, that is S block, P block, D block and the A block, along with the 7 periods and the 18 groups. Okay, thank you.